All right, we have 4 pictures. What's this one? Hat. They are all in the same word family. They are in the A-T word family, which means they have this sound the same. Can you go yell at them outside, please? At. Okay? Which means they have different sounds at the beginning, but they all have this sound at the end. So, we're going to do this together, one letter at a time. We're going to write all 4 words. Okay? When we have all 4 words written, you may move on through the rest of the packet. Hat. What is the first sound in hat? Aubrey. Waiting for your name. H. Good. Can everybody make an H? So down, back up, like that. I do not want a capital H. Unless his name is Hat, we do not put a capital H. These are not names. Okay. What is the next sound in hat, Clayton? So, it's 3 letters. Ha, a, A. Very good, Clay. So watch this. Around, back up. Should this A be bigger than the H?
No.
No. It should be the same size as this bump. And what is the last sound in hat? Trent. No. What's the last sound in hat? Hat. What's the last sound? What's the last sound, Trent? Hat. No. Hat. Hat. What's the last sound? At. What's the last sound? Oh, didn't call on you. T. At. Hat. Okay. Give me a thumbs up if you've written the word hat. Okay. Next word is cat. Quinn. What's the first sound in cat? C. Everybody write a C right here. Good. All right, Walker. What's the next sound in cat? Ka, a. What's a? What letter is that, Walker? Ka, a. What letter is a? What letter is a? It's the same one as over here. What's this letter, Walker? A. Good. All right, and what's the last sound in cat? Vivian. Ka, at, T. Good. Cat. So that's what we're doing. We are writing the words. Is this sort of like Smarty spelling?
No.
Yes, it is. Except these words are really small, so when you Smarty spell them, it's only 3 letters. We're not talking about a word that has 10 letters in it. We're talking about words that have 3 letters, and we hear each sound. So we're Smarty spelling these, except we're Smarty spelling them correctly. Okay, thumbs up if you've got ka, at written down on your paper. Thank you, Walker. Marie, you good? All right. Next one is bat. Jackson Shallow. What's the first sound in bat? Bat. What's the first sound? No. Don't write. Look up here. What's the first sound in bat? B. All right, everybody make a B. Good. Next sound. Macy, what's the next sound in bat? A. Good. So ba, a, a. And I think I made that A a little bit too big. My A really shouldn't be this big. It should only be the size of this bump in the B, huh? Now eventually, you'll get these and they'll be lined. So it'll have this thing going through it. So that makes it easier to get the right size, right? All right. Jackson Potter, what's the last sound in bat? Ba, a. These are what we have. What are we missing? Ba, a. T. What are we missing? Ba, a, t. T. What sound is? What letter is that? Bat. T. What letter says t, Jackson? Charity. What did you start? What? Not E. Charity?
T.
T. Ba, at, t. Go ahead and write that down. Okay, thumbs up if you've gotten ba, at written. Come on, Jackson. Do you have that written down? Thank you. Then give me a thumbs up, buddy. That's how that's what's telling me I need to move on. All right. Last one is rat. Penny, what is the first sound in rat?
O.
R. Everybody go ahead and write an R on rat.
It's my name.
Rat is your name?
No.
Oh.
That's my name.
Oh, you have an R in your name.
Why have an R in my name?
Shh. Okay, what's the next sound in rat? Patience. R.
T.
No, that's the last sound. What's the middle sound? R. At.
A.
A. Everybody make an A. And Brody Birch, what's the last sound? Rat. T. Okay, there you go.
I never get to
Thumbs up if you have rat written. Thumbs up if you have hat written. Thumbs up if you have cat written. Thumbs up if you have bat written. Thumbs up if you have rat written. Now, pretty soon, as we keep moving, you're gonna get a piece of paper and it's gonna have 9 pictures on it.
That's okay.
It'll have 9 pictures and you guys will do them all by yourself.
Really?
Yeah, it'll be super easy for you. It just takes lots of practice. And they'll be like word families. The first word family will be the at family. The next one will be the E, something in the E family, one of the I family. So that's how this works. Okay. Now, if you have all these 4 words written, you may move on to the back of this page and go ahead and start writing your numbers.